And welcome back, everybody. We are back to another one. Little exhaust job on a Chrysler 200. Yeah, Chrysler 200. Where does it say 200? Right there. Beep. We got some bent out last night. This here just snakes right through here, up all the way up front. And we're going to get rid of the kitty litter. We're going to need the hammer. Yoo-hoo! When all else fails, beat it out. Let's see what comes out of it. 5 seconds. Should give me a better radius. There, we get her all up into place. Somewhere's how she's gonna sit. He wants the tip sticking right out. Like that there. Line it up a little bit better. Weld, weld, no weld, and then weld up front. Couple hangers and little 200 sounds pretty good. like that. I like that. Go give it just a couple revs there. Huh? Give it a couple revs. Do you like it?
Oh yeah. I clean my car though, 3:30 outside.
Hey, I do detailing too, brother. Yeah. I like that.
Right back then.
Yeah. So if you guys made her all the way through the video, leave it down below. I've never done a Chrysler 200 before. I thought it was pretty cool. The young fella wanted something done to it, so, you know, it's his car. He'll do what he wants with it, right? Leave the hate alone. There's no sense of fucking hating because we don't give a fuck around here. Looks cool, sounds cool. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, like, and I'll have a couple more for you.